Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Whirlpool 330 liters frost free triple door refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 330 liters, good for families of 3 to 5 members. Compressor type, reciprocating compressor, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Defrosting type, frost free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications, generally in the box we get refrigerator, user manual and warranty card. Type, triple door refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Capacity 330 liters. Number of doors 3. Number of refrigerator shelves 4. Warranty 1 year on the unit and 10 years on the compressor. Coming to the cost price, 32,990 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream View channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.